Hi, it's Matt here from Action Boating again, and this time we have a 2016 Nautique Super Air G23 up for sale. This is an outstanding vessel, 6.2 litre PCM V8. Just having a look at this shot here, you can see how well it sits in the water. It's got some custom docking lights up forward. The bimini is an option that's been added to this boat and comes with a nice cover. It's got a folding targa arch as well. Notice the windscreen's got some extra accents to it, just to come off nicely with the graphics. The duckboard at the back is right at water level, which makes it super easy to get on the boat when you're getting onto your wakeboard. Now, in this next shot here, you can see, just as we're coming along, you see that wake there? This is what these things are famous for. So you get a nice wake. We're doing about 18 knots here, and it's got a super clean wake there. It'll go anywhere between 15 and 19 knots. You can set that as well with the controller on the dash. Just having a look at the cockpit, it really is luxurious. And a boat of this caliber really deserves this. You've got double stitched vinyl, beautifully colour matched. There's a lovely sea deck floor right throughout the boat. In the foreground there's a seat that flips back to give you extra viewing of the wakeboarder. And another nice touch is the pads where you walk on so you don't hurt the upholstery. This boat's got V-drive and it's got the digital dash system. Everything is digital, there's no keys. You can use it very simply and it's very easy to use. Just behind the seat here, there's a very big storage area. And this next bit of upholstery we're looking at, that flips up to give you another rear-facing lounge. You can also see in this, those big JL speakers, and there's also some torpedo speakers up on the targa as well. Illuminated cup holders, another nice rear-facing lounge, and that really completes the package on the inside. Super luxurious. And a really awesome boat to be having fun with. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like any more info on this boat, please check us out at actionboating.com.au. Thanks very much.